So here you can see Solana click.biz. Here you can see I got 125 BTC instant withdraw. So website is legit, video is legit. Don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand. Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today's video about earn unlimited Bitcoin, Litecoin and Solana Via Termux with payment proof. So I will show you the payment proof as well in this video. So let's start our video. So first off, you have required website link given in description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of this website. So first off, you have required create account. So just create account, click on register. So now here you have required your email address, username, password, then confirm password, solve captcha and click on register. Your account will be created. After creating account, log in your account. Here you can see the dashboard. So first off, I will show you the payment proof, then we will restart and run script. So now here is the three options to withdraw: Solana, USDT and Bitcoin. So now I will get in Bitcoin. So just select Bitcoin and put here your payment. So here is the required wallet address. So minimum withdraw is 500 token. You can earn in just 5 minutes. So put here your wallet address. So we will copy from our faucetpay account. So if you don't have faucetpay account, link in description. You can directly go from there and create your account. So now just click on deposit. So here you can see the BTC wallet address. Just copy your BTC wallet address. Copy, then go back to website. Wallet address. Just click on withdraw. So here you can see token has been sent to your account. So we check in faucetpay, we received or not. Faucetpay, and click on just overview. So here you can see Solana click.biz. Here you can see I got 125 BTC instant withdraw. So website is legit, video is legit. Don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand. So now go back to website. So now I will show you how script run. So now you have required a script file link in description. You can directly go from there. You will see the article, scroll down in article, you will see script button, click on script. The script will be download. After downloading the script, open your Explorer APK, open. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. So here you can see script file in zip format. First of all, unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more, extract, OK. Now script file is unzipped successful. Open unzip folder, then long press on folder, click on more, properties, copy full page. Now script location copied successfully. Go back, open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic commands first. Basic commands provided on my Telegram channel. You can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram. I will provide you there. Then continue your process. cd space paste your script location. Then enter ls, enter php bot.php. Then enter. So now here you have required website user agent and cookie. We will capture from HTTP canary. So go back and open HTTP canary. So first off, link your web browser which you use. Then if you are a new user using Canary first time, install CA certificate from setting. Then just click on start and open website. Just reload your website. So here you can see the reload successful and cookies also captured. Now open Canary. Then just stop Canary, click on three dots, then filter. Now server host. So here you can see the Solana click.biz. Just check it, then go back. So here you can see the dashboard file. Open dashboard file. Slide right. Here you can see the user agent. So just long queries and user agent. User agent copied back to the Termux. Pasted user agent. Then enter. So now here we have required cookies. So back to Canary. Just slide left. Here you can see the cookies. Long queries and cookies is copied back to the Termux. Paste here cookies. Then enter. So now here you have required your faucetpay wallet address. So paste here your faucetpay wallet address or your email address and just enter. Now here is the my account is connected and here is the one option to earn just faucet. Just click on one, then enter. So wait for bypass. So here you can see bypass successful and I got reward. So script is working successfully. If you want to watch more videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.